The labels and signs for your Nempnett Thrubwell are made from high quality laser engraving laminate. The engraving process creates some soot, so they need to be cleaned. You'll need the kit packet containing the engravings, which can be removed by peeling open the flap, removing the 5 engravings, and then resealing the pack. You'll also need the kit packet containing the vinyl gloves. Use these to protect your hands against the solvent and soot. Keep them afterwards, as they can also be used later when you stain the wooden enclosure. You'll also need some tissue or rag and a work surface that won't be damaged by your chosen solvent. There are 3 solvents that I've used to clean off the soot. These are white spirit, also known as mineral spirit, mineral turpentine or turpentine substitute, isopropyl alcohol, or methylated spirit, which is also known as denatured alcohol, wood spirit, or denatured rectified spirit. However, don't use nail varnish remover, also known as acetone, as it will also dissolve the thin white engraved layer. Remember to follow the health and safety information provided with the solvent, and don't use a solvent that could dissolve the vinyl gloves. If you want to test the suitability of some other solvent you have to hand, try cleaning the white side of the clock hand. It doesn't matter if the white surface gets damaged, as it won't be seen when finally assembled. If the soot is removed and the white surface remains intact, it's probably okay to use. Put some of your chosen solvent onto the tissue or fabric. Clean the edges of the engravings first, as soot from these can easily be carried onto the white surface later. And then clean the fronts. Once the engravings are clean, ensure you correctly dispose of the waste tissue or rag, remembering that it will be flammable. The engravings can be placed back in their bag for safekeeping, and remember to hang on to the vinyl gloves for use with the stain later. Now you have lovely clean engravings, it's time to move on to the next part.